I think my English revision classes were lively and interesting. Our English teacher took many measures to attract students' attention. Firstly, he led us to look through textbooks unit by unit, and by this way, we had deeper impression on textbooks. I always listened carefully and answered a question actively. What's more, I took notes from time to time. After the revision of the textbooks, our teacher helped us to revise the grammar by lively courseware. Finally, he selected suitable exercise and text paper carefully to check our revised results. All in all, our English revision was productive. I love the English classes.